Alright guys, this is Anthony.com, and I'm sure this is the question that's on many of your minds today and this evening is what happened. If you've been following, I've been having a scorecard of all models coming in. This was the runs as of, I'd say, maybe 6 o'clock last night. Looking over here at the GFS, giving us a pretty significant snowstorm, pretty still well east. The no gaps, kind of having a bad shift. The Canadian gave us a major snowstorm, blizzard conditions. The NAM was starting to come on board. The European slamming us with a multifaceted storm mix along the coast, and that's what we were talking about for a while. And then if it would be weaker, as you see in the ensembles here on the bottom right, if it would be weaker, we'd see no mix, a little less snow, but still a significant amount. Take a good look at this, guys, real quick, because this is what happened today. Okay, this is what happened today. Gone, 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 gone. And these are ensembles, which pretty much are giving us a chance of some light precipitation. But this baby is basically gone, guys. It's a shame. Again, look at yesterday. Look at the hits. And today, look at the misses. It's a shame for you snow lovers, and I apologize for any inconvenience I might have caused southern New England weather. I never predicted this storm. Okay, I did show you the models as they were coming in. I didn't hype it, but I did get excited about it, and that's the weather lover inside me. Real quick, let's take you to some radar images. We'll put the winter mosaic on this. Now you can see our storm what was going to be our potential storm just starting to develop, and you can see how it's already just going to slide off to there. Some instability snow showers in Pennsylvania, and a big storm coming to the west coast. Bigger picture is a way to look at satellite here, guys, and as soon as I should have had this ready, let me get going here, make this short. Satellite, look at that block up there. This was supposed to be the reason this Greenland block moving to the west that would allow this to come up. It's just not retrograding far enough. You see that up there, and you see this moisture coming up. Look at the moisture, how it's kind of just working to the east, not to the north at all. And this reason being, this is not retrograding enough, allowing that to come up. Yeah, so bummer, guys. But let's get into some models here. GFS isn't loaded, but for instance, let's take the no gaps. Taking the storm right there, bringing the storm up right here. There's that retrograding, not retrograding enough, bringing it right out to sea. Basically no precipitation, but then look what happens. Tuesday night to Wednesday, it starts to back in New England, bringing some snows along the coastal areas. That's why I mentioned that there's a possibility of that. Now we take you to the Canadian. Again, that important retrograding thing I show you on satellite, the Greenland, that low up there near Greenland. And we'll move forward here. Here comes the moisture from our storm. This is from the Canadian. And look at it, just slides just to our south and east. But the Canadian as well starts to back in some pretty moderate snow here into New England late Monday into Wednesday. How much precip? A half inch right along the coast. Half inch is about 5 inches of snow if we can have the temperatures cold enough. So we're going to have to watch that. I will have a snow map out tomorrow, guys. But for now, let's take a look at tomorrow's forecast. Saturday's highlights. Mostly sunny, 28 to 34, western, central, and northern southern New England, and 34 to 38 eastern and southern New England. Mostly clear, calm, and mild, and the Sunday and Monday storm is off. That's it for today, guys. Visit my site, www.southernnewenglandweather.com for more. I guess we can take this poll off. A lot of you voted that we'd be getting that 6 inches, and even watching a lot of the meteorologists, it seemed that way too, guys. Sorry for any inconvenience. We'll get right back at the next storm, which, ironically, some models are showing it Christmas night. Take care, guys. Over and out.